Hello friends, Devendra Kumar here with you to discuss continuous tense. Friends, continuous means going on. When you find an action in present or past or future is going on, that is known as continuous tense. Suppose you have to think that how to understand the use of continuous. It is very easy thing. Very first, if the action is going on in present moment and you say, like, I am writing a letter, I am writing a book. Students, you may have a question, sir, you are speaking here and you are saying that you are writing a letter, you are writing a book. One important rule here to understand, when it does not mean the action is presently going on but these days going on. So think to understand, at present, at moment, these days, nowadays are the part of present continuous tense. When you find these time adverb at the time, at present, nowadays, these days, you use present continuous tense. But remember, when you find the verb like love, hate, wish, have, desire, they are rarely used in continuous form. For example, if you have to use have verb in continuous form, and sometimes it is very common error these days is found, आजकल बहुत सामान्य सी गलती मिलती है, भाई जब क्या कर रहे हो, लंच कर रहा हूँ, इंग्लिश में बोल रहा है आई एम हैविंग लंच. Absolutely incorrect. I am having lunch means I am busy with lunch, not carrying this lunch. While another time they say on other through the other sentence, I am having a book. मेरे पास book है. I am having a book cannot be. I am having lunch means you say that you are taking lunch. You are busy with lunch. There are some of the words like I told you: wish, love, desire, hate, see, feel, which we use when if in continuous tense, they have the different meaning. Friends, very first, how to write a sentence in continuous form. You know very well, affirmative sentence, subject is MR, helping verb, V1 plus ing, which is known as present participle, after that object. Subject he, she, it, singular, consists or comprises, verb, helping verb is, subject I comprises, am, and VU the plural are. The same way we go to the continuous past. Past continuous also the same. If you find an action going on in past, if you find that action is going on in past, आपको लगे कि काम अतीत में चल रहा था, तो you use past continuous tense. If you expect that it may be continuous in future, that is future continuous. Now I am differentiating all three in a simple same time. मैं किताब लिख रहा हूँ, I am writing book. मैं किताब लिख रहा था, I was writing book. मैं किताब लिख रहा हूँगा, I shall be writing a book. Here, thing to understand, present continuous tense can be used for the defined future also, for the determined future also. I am going to Agra in evening. I am going to Agra in evening. आज शाम को मैं आगरा जा रहा हूँ. If it is determined, needn't to express it, I shall be going to Agra in evening. But if you say I shall be going to Agra in evening, it is not incorrect. He will be coming to our house tomorrow. कल वो हमारे घर आ रहा होगा. Incorrect नहीं है. But you can say he is coming to our house tomorrow. It means he has informed you confirmly he will visit you or he will come to you. Past continuous, future continuous or present continuous are having so close relationship. But what is about the past continuous? Think to understand. When you find an action was going on, the second action took place. एक एक्शन चल रहा था, एक कार्य चल रहा था जब दूसरा हुआ. मेरी माँ खाना पका रही थी जब मैं घर पहुंचा। माई मदर वॉज कुकिंग फूड when I reached home. Here you learned how to combine past continuous and simple past. Simple past you use second form as I said, when I reached. What happened when I reached? My mother was cooking. My mother was cooking food. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस का सिंपल सेंटेंस आपने बताया, मैंने समझाया, आपको समझ आया। सब्जेक्ट प्लस इजेमा प्लस वी1 विद आईएनजी, ऑब्जेक्ट पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस, सब्जेक्ट प्लस वाज वर विद वी1 विद आईएनजी एंड ऑब्जेक्ट फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस, सब्जेक्ट विल बी और शैल बी, वी1 विद आईएनजी एंड ऑब्जेक्ट नाउ विल बी, यू आर वेल अवेयर, except I and we, all subject comprises will be plus V1 with ing. If the subject you have I and we, you use shall. Students or my dear followers and friends, the thing must be always in your mind, and I'm sure you cannot make mistake when you want to make a negative sentence. Helping verb, not. If the helping verb is in pair, is in phrase, form of phrase like will be, shall be, negative word will be between it. Will not be or shall not be. सीता खाना नहीं पका रही होगी, सीता will not be cooking meal. सीता खाना पका रही थी, सीता was cooking meal. सीता खाना नहीं पका रही है, सीता is not cooking meal. इंट्रोगेटिव, क्या सीता खाना पका रही है? इज सीता कुकिंग मील? क्या सीता खाना पका रही थी? वॉज सीता कुकिंग मील? क्या सीता खाना पका रही होगी? विल सीता बी कुकिंग मील? बट इंट्रोगेटिव प्लस नेगेटिव, क्या सीता खाना नहीं पका रही होगी? विल सीता बी नॉट कुकिंग मील? क्या सीता खाना नहीं पका रही थी? वॉज सीता नॉट कुकिंग मील? क्या सीता खाना नहीं पका रही है? Is Sita not cooking meal? My friends, think to understand very specially. If you convert a sentence from one form to another form, it should not be nonsensical. ये nonsense sentence कभी नहीं होना चाहिए. Sometimes you find that the people say, the sun rises in east, change into negative. If you say the sun does not rise in east, you are incorrect. How can you say? आपसे कहा सूर्य पूर्व में उदय होता है, इसका नेगेटिव कीजिए। आप ऐसे कैसे कह सकते हैं कि सूर्य पूर्व में नहीं उदय होता? अगर आप ऐसा कह रहे हैं तो या तो पता नहीं है आपको, या सामने वाला सोचेगा कि इसे कैप्रिशियस को हो चुके। माय फ्रेंड, इन सच सेंस वी हैव टू चेंज द सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर ऑल्सो, वर्ड्स ऑफ सेंटेंस ऑल्सो। सूर्य पूर्व में उदय नहीं होता है, द सन डज नॉट सेट इन वेस्ट, द सन डज नॉट सेट इन वेस्ट, सेट इन ईस्ट। सूर्य पूर्व में अस्त नहीं होता है, ये इसका नेगेटिव आप बना सकते हैं। द सन राइजेज इन ईस्ट, नेगेटिव किया, द सन डज नॉट सेट इन वेस्ट ईस्ट, द सन डज नॉट राइज in the west, maybe. Same way in the negative continuous tenses, the thing to understand, you must remember helping verb, you are very simple, is was were and will be, shall be. There are some verbs which are rarely used, but if they are used in continuous form, they express their meaning in different sense. Suppose I say, I am thinking to go abroad. It doesn't mean right now I am thinking, I am talking, I am speaking, I am teaching. Right now. How can you say I am thinking to go abroad? It means I have an idea to go abroad. Same way, present continuous tense का आप यूज जो करते हैं वो at present, nowadays, these days, इन सब के साथ यूज करते हैं। पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस का यूज जब एक एक्शन के कंप्लीट होने के बाद दूसरा एक्शन यूज होता है, दूसरा एक्शन दे रखा हो तो आप पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस प्लस सिंपल पास्ट का यूज करते हैं। प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस का आप फ्यूचर के प्लान और डिटरमाइंड फ्यूचर के प्लानिंग को भी एक्सक्यूट करने के लिए, एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए आप प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस का यूज़ करते हैं. आई होप माई वर्ड्स, माई सिंपल एंड shower principles of the tenses be helpful to learn how to translate Hindi to English, English to Hindi. The same way, you will be very convenient to use in your own way, in your own style, for your own use in English language especially. Have a nice day, friends. Hope for your queries on my email address and my WhatsApp.